Right, so here we go. I'm going to change a radio because this one is rubbish. I haven't got the tools to do the job, but I found this and this should pull it out hopefully. Two little clips by the side. There we go, there's one. Oh, look at that. And then we see what sort of connections we've got. Oh, it's so goddamn tight, look at it. And I think these are going to be the wrong connections. This is the one I bought off of eBay, 23 quid. Can't be bad. With a little steering remote on it as well. Bloody hell, that's good. I bet you it's going to be the wrong connections. There two. Yes as well. How am I going to get around this? Right, so that's the aerial. Oh well, that's it. That come out. What's that one? Amp. 3 amp, don't know what that is. It should just slot into there hopefully. Is it? No, that ain't. It's the wrong bloody connector on it. Bet that don't go in, does it? Oh, what an arsehole. Well, let's buggered that up then, isn't it? That ain't being done today. I wonder if there's any more in. There's got to be a whole hands in there. Oh, look at that. There we go. I knew there was some more. It's got, all these cables are stuck. Put them together. This loom's usually quite long and you can pull it right out. There we go. Look at that. Cable tied together. That'll do. So that right, should go in there now. And that one, let's break that off. I better keep that. That's it. So that should go in the top hopefully. Classic case of don't know what you're doing, but that's two. Let's see if we've got any more. No. Speaker wires. We need to let's take that off as well. Don't need that. Actually, we can do. So that one could go in there. It definitely goes in there. And that one. Goes in there. That should switch on. Ignition on. Oh, what does this do? This is stupid fan. There we go. Right, back again. So now I lost the aerial lead. That shot down the back. So this radio's been changed before. How does that go in there? Could be like that. That's it. Looks like someone's really had a go at this. But right. Let's put aerial's a bit tight. That'll do. So that is, these are all slot fits. So it should just go straight in. I've connected up with Wagos. Good way of doing it. Put that one in there. That's it. Put all that shit in the back. It's got stuck. That's it. So now, make sure it's all clipped in. It should just go in. That's it. Turn it on. Ignition on first. Turn it on. There we go. .1, that's usually a good one. See if it picks anything up now. If not, I've got to get another aerial. But it is an FM aerial, so it should be okay. Stop. Band. AM radio. Haha! AM2, right, mode. BT, not power. So, I'm going to have to stop this a sec. Right, so there we go. Won't work on the radio, but I didn't expect that because I think there's a problem with my aerial, so I'm going to have to get that sorted out. So this is a Bluetooth radio. Like I said, £23 off eBay. And I've connected up to my phone so I can run the radio or YouTube music all off my phone. Happy days. Right, so there's the radio working. £23 off of eBay. You get all the connections with it as well, but I didn't need them. Mine already had them on. Most of them are universal anyway. And then you get a little steering control, which is held on by Velcro. But I'm not going to put that on because it's totally rubbish. So there you go, changing a radio in a 32-year-old full transit. It can be done. Goodbye.